Hi, my beautiful souls. I'm in Manhattan and I am super excited. I'm going to go see the dog day afternoon, so I hope I have an outfit on. Outfit of the day. So, got my bag. All right, we'll see you a little later. Bye. We are here in Manhattan. Very excited. Gallagher's in Manhattan.
Crazy. Damn, we got some slabs of meat. Meat slabs.
Cool. All right, so I'm here at a place called Winnie's in Manhattan, which looks so cute. Look how adorable this is. The theater is across the street, and we're gonna get a cocktail, and we're gonna sit and relax, and we made it to Manhattan, so we're super excited. Here's the bar. Very exciting. So I know this is really off the beaten path, and I'm not teaching or anything, but I just wanted for you all to see where I'm at today, because I'm finally enjoying a day off. All right, stay tuned for more. All right, so we are going to see the restroom. Oh my God. Stop it. Love it. Do not do the drunk dialing. All right, so now I'm in the bathroom. How freaking cute. Don't text him. No drunk dialing, ladies. Do not do that. But I just wanted to show you. It's just super cute. It's pink. It's right up my alley. And we are off to the show across the street, so stand by. All right, so this is so great. We are going to get to have a cocktail. We're gonna sit and relax. This is amazing. It's so chic up here at the August Winter Theater. So we're super excited. The show starts at 2. I think they will seat us in a bit, but we're gonna have a cocktail first, and we're so excited to be here. You have no idea. The way they did this is absolutely beautiful. The interior, marble top tables, velvet green chairs, and the gold accent is just to die for.
Attica! 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 Attica!